She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today is day 7 of the 7 days of SHAMROCKS, where we have been cooking meals that are inspired by the theme of St. Patrick's Day or Irish inspired meals. Today's recipe and the last recipe is of course going to be a classic Irish recipe. We're going to go ahead and make a delicious Guinness beef stew. So when it comes to Irish stew, you are able to use lamb normally, but in this case we are going to use beef, so it is definitely going to be an Irish beef Guinness stew. So we are going to use Guinness as one of the ingredients, along with some others as well. Again, you guys, Guinness, if you might not like the taste of it when you drink it, it definitely cooks off very well. If you don't drink it, don't knock it, because it does cook well. So if you guys are ready for today's recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here we have it. This is the Guinness beef stew with the puff pastry on top, filled with lots of vegetables like carrots and potatoes, and that wonderful Guinness stout gravy that's throughout it. Definitely give this one a try, guys, especially if you're a fan of pot pies. This was very, very good. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the recipe today. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.